Hey everybody, I just wanted to hop on here for a second because Arbonne just released their newest skincare line and it is called Hydria. It is absolutely incredible. I just got mine in a few days ago and I've been using it every night and every morning and oh my goodness, I love it. So I just wanted to walk you guys through exactly how to use all of these products and let you see them in action because again, I just love them so much already. So I'm going to pull them down from right here so you guys can see them or throw them in the floor, either one. But it's these 4 products right here. And it also comes with this cheat. We'll talk a little bit about all of these products in just a minute. So I love it. I've got this cute little headband. It came with one of our holiday gift sets and I love it. So I'm going to let you guys watch me struggle to put this headband on. And you can see how not cute I am in headbands. Anyways, so step 1 is going to be this gel cleanser. And basically you just wet your face, massage it in just like you would with any other cleanser. This is a witch hazel formula, so it leaves your skin feeling very refreshed, very clean. I really like it. So I'm going to go ahead and pull my hair back too. So, anyways, I hope y'all are having an awesome morning so far. I just got Caleb laid down for a nap, so hopefully he'll stay asleep while I'm doing this. And I really just like using my hand on this one, actually. I don't even bother grabbing a washcloth. So just rub that in, and I'll let you see this. This has a really, I love this bottle. It's so pretty. Nice and blue for the water, I guess. So step 1 is done. And as always, after I wash my face, I like to go back. This isn't part of the Hydria line. This is part of our RE9 line. But I always like to go back and use my micellar water. I'll let y'all see this. So, let's see if it'll focus. There we go. Use my micellar water because that will go below the surface. That'll get any extra oils, anything like that off of your face as well before you put on any serums, and that way your face is as clean as it can possibly be, so your serum will work the best. So I just grab one of my little cotton rounds and rub my micellar water all over my face. You don't have to rinse this off or anything, so this is just a good step to follow your cleanser no matter what skincare line that you're using. So I'm going to let that dry for just a second. And I'll go ahead and talk a little bit about the serum. So here is our newest serum. Let's get it to focus again. There we go. Our newest serum, the Hydria serum. And this is formulated with cellular edulous water. And basically that means succulents. The active ingredient in this is from succulents, which obviously are some of the most hydrated plants out there. You know, like never have to water succulents. They retain so much moisture. And so that's what we want our faces to do. We want them to retain moisture. So this little serum also has like a crushed jelly texture. So it feels really good on your face when you rub it in. And it's just one that you'd have to try. You can imagine what crushed jelly feels like on your face, though. So and all down my neck and everything. Okay. And again, just let that dry for just a second. Next is the eye gel. So this is similar to just any eye cream, really, but it works magic for lightening up under eye bags. Like, I have been so impressed, and I don't know if you'll be able to see this. It almost looks glittery. It's pretty cool. Yeah, you can kind of see it on there. But it doesn't take much at all. Just dab that underneath my eyes and all around on my eyelids. So really, you use this line just like you would any other skincare line. But to date, it is our most affordable skincare line as well, which I love. Because everyone needs hydration. And this also pairs really well with our RE9 Advanced skincare line or the brightening one. So you can pair it with that. You can use the RE9 toner. You can pair both of the serums together if you want it to work on fine lines and wrinkles while also hydrating. You can pair all of these products together. So next is the gel cream. So you can see in there, this has like a pudding-like consistency. It's also formulated with witch hazel. Oh my goodness, this is my absolute favorite moisturizer that I have ever used before. So you'll definitely either sample this from me or just go ahead and get your own because you will not regret it, hands down. Arbonne does have a 45-day money-back guarantee, but literally no one uses it because everyone loves their products. So that is it. That's how I just got that in my eye. But that is how the Hydria line works. And of course, we want to hydrate from the inside out. So we do have this, focus, there we go. We do have the Hydria herbal tea as well that you can use. And it tastes absolutely amazing. The key ingredients on here are chamomile, thyme, and rosemary. So really, really yummy. I like to mix that with my normal detox tea and drink it every night. So that is all though. That's how the Hydria skincare line works. So feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions.